Hey, everyone. Welcome back to. Today, I've got something super exciting for you, a Korean beauty secret that has been trending everywhere lately, a Korean rice mask for achieving that dreamy, soft, and glowing skin. Who doesn't want that, right? If you're ready to glow up like never before, you're in the right place. So, grab your favorite bowl and let's dive into this top-notch, simple, and super effective recipe. Now, why rice? That's probably your first question, and here's why this ingredient is magic. Rice has been a staple in Korean beauty for centuries, and it's rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and a compound called allantoin, which soothes and brightens the skin. Imagine your skin getting smoother, your dark spots fading, and that soft, radiant look emerging. That's what this rice mask does for you. And the best part? It's perfect for all skin types. Whether you're dealing with oily, dry, or even sensitive skin, this mask will work wonders. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. You'll need just 3 simple ingredients for this mask: white rice, milk, and honey. Yep, that's it. These 3 ingredients together make a powerhouse combination. So, here's what you'll need to do. 1. Start by taking about a quarter cup of white rice. You can use any kind, but Korean short grain rice works the best because it has that natural starchiness that's super good for the skin. 2. Rinse the rice thoroughly, just to remove any impurities. 3. Now, boil the rice in about half a cup of water. Let it cook until it becomes soft and mushy. Once it's done, let it cool down for a bit. Now comes the fun part. Once the rice is cooled, pop it into a blender. Add a tablespoon of milk. This makes the mask creamy and also helps with brightening because milk is rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, giving you that glass skin effect we're aiming for. Then, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is nature's magic ingredient, full of antioxidants, and it helps lock in moisture so your skin looks plump and soft. Blend everything until it forms a smooth paste, and voila! Your Korean rice mask is ready. Now, let's apply it. First, cleanse your face thoroughly to remove any dirt and oil. Then, using your fingertips or a brush, apply an even layer of the rice mask all over your face. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all those amazing ingredients to soak in. After 15 to 20 minutes, it's time to rinse off the mask. Use lukewarm water and gently rub in circular motions as you wash it off. This gives a little exfoliation boost to help remove dead skin cells, and, ta-da! Your skin should feel soft, smooth, and incredibly fresh. Over time, you'll notice that it helps with brightening, minimizing pores, and even reducing dark spots. If you have extra time, here's a little tip: while the mask is drying, do a quick facial massage. Just gently press on your cheekbones, forehead, and jawline to improve circulation. This little massage will help you get the maximum glow out of your mask. And that's it. How easy was that? This Korean rice mask is like a mini spa treatment that you can do at home whenever your skin needs a little TLC. Try using this mask once or twice a week to get the best results.